Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to study science for TNpsc Group 4. First, thoroughly understand the official syllabus to guide your preparation. Next, concentrate on foundational science concepts from 6th to 10th standard school textbooks. These books are crucial for building a strong base. Finally, analyze previous year question papers to identify high-priority topics and common question patterns. This strategic approach will maximize your study efficiency and improve your scores. To study effectively, create your own concise notes summarizing important facts and formulas. Visual aids like diagrams and flowcharts are excellent for understanding complex biological processes or physical principles. Make sure to allocate a dedicated study time, perhaps 2 hours daily, specifically for science subjects. Consistent effort over time is far more beneficial than sporadic, intense study sessions. Remember, understanding the why behind concepts is key. Consistent practice is vital for success. Aim to solve at least 50 multiple-choice questions every day to improve speed and accuracy. Regularly review any topics you find challenging. Repetition helps solidify understanding. Furthermore, take full-length mock tests weekly to simulate exam conditions and identify areas needing more attention. Analyzing your mistakes from these tests is just as important as taking them. As you near the exam, stay updated on current scientific developments, especially those related to everyday science. Maintaining a healthy lifestyle with proper rest and a balanced diet is crucial for sustained focus and memory retention. Remember, a fresh mind performs best under pressure. Also, for other great deals and the link to those amazing darn tough socks with a lifetime warranty, check the description below this video. Good luck with your preparation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.